Hello everyone, welcome to EnglishLogica.com. If you heard your manager telling an employee to stop dragging your feet, would you know what they mean? You hear this idiom when someone is sluggish in their work and their productivity has dropped. The manager might grow tired of them and tell them, "Stop dragging your feet." In this video, I'm going to explain what English speakers mean when they say drag your feet or you're dragging your feet. I'll give you some examples to use in the workplace and in social situations, so you'll feel more confident using this popular idiom. If you drag your feet, you deliberately work at a slower pace. Dragging your feet is a form of procrastination. Here are some examples you might hear in social situations. "Honey, did you book the table for tonight?" "Sorry dear, I forgot." "Oh, you are always dragging your feet with these things." "I apologize. I've been dragging my feet lately and I've forgotten to organize the charity event." "I'm supposed to meet my mother for dinner at 6 p.m. but I've been dragging my feet all day and haven't even had a shower." Here are some examples you might hear in professional situations. "What's taking him so long? He's really dragging his feet on this one." "I've had enough of everyone dragging their feet on this project. If you want to keep your jobs, you'd better get a move on." "I met with the client last week and everything went smoothly, but they're still dragging their feet and haven't signed the contract yet." Where did you hear the expression drag your feet? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.